Every duck hunter knows the pain of standing in freezing mud for hours, waiting for that perfect shot. But what if there was a simple solution that promised comfort and unwavering stability in the harshest wetlands? This SFNSM folding Marsh seat claims to be that game changer, and after looking at its features, it certainly makes a compelling case. Right off the bat, the design is smart. It's a ground-mounted seat, meaning those triangular legs dig right into the mud, giving you a rock-solid foundation. No more wobbling or sinking deeper as the day goes on. This isn't just about comfort, it's about safety and focus, allowing you to concentrate on the hunt, not on keeping your balance. One of the standout features has to be the adjustable height. You can set it anywhere from a low 19.5 inches, perfect for shallower spots or a lower profile, all the way up to 22.5 inches. This flexibility is huge, accommodating different water depths and hunters of various sizes. And speaking of size, it boasts a robust 300-pound load capacity, which is impressive and reassuring. Now let's talk about comfort. That 1.4-inch thick padded cushion isn't just for show. It genuinely makes a difference when you're waiting for hours. It's designed for excellent resilience and wear resistance, so you won't feel fatigued even after a long day out. This is crucial for those extended periods in the blind. Portability is another big win. Weighing in at just under 3 kilograms, or about 6.5 pounds, it's surprisingly light. Plus, it comes with detachable, adjustable shoulder straps, making the trek to your hunting spot much easier. The fact that both the cushion and the legs are detachable means it packs down incredibly small, saving precious space in your gear bag. This thoughtful design really lightens your load, both literally and figuratively. Durability is paramount in wetland environments, and SFNSM seems to have nailed it here. The support rod and leg parts are crafted from rust-proof stainless steel. This isn't just a minor detail. It means this seat is built to endure the constant exposure to water and mud, promising longevity and reliability season after season. You can truly use it with confidence, knowing it won't corrode or fail when you need it most. Overall, this SFNSM Marsh seat isn't just another piece of gear. It's an essential upgrade for any serious waterfowl hunter looking for comfort, durability, and portability in the field. It delivers on its promises, transforming a potentially grueling wait into a much more enjoyable and effective hunting experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.